Hello, medical assistant students. I am going to do a short video just to clear a few things up for the classroom. So let's go ahead and start off here with the delivery method, which is going to be online, synchronous. Synchronous means that we meet a few times. First of all, we are going to meet. I have the Mondays in the course calendar, 1:30 to 3:30. It was originally noon. That got switched because I was told that everybody was done with classes at 11:30. We found out that some students didn't have classes on Monday. So the meet time will stay as is, 1:30 to 3:30. All right, instructor information. Okay, I do have Michelle Grant. I do go by Shelly. Michelle's fine too. One thing to keep in mind, I am your instructor. So if you have issues, you contact me, not Jen England. I know you all think Jen's great, and she is a wonderful instructor. You will love her this whole semester, but she doesn't have anything to do with my course. So you need to contact me through email. I have my Zoom number. If we have issues on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, you can send me an email saying, hey, Shelly, can we meet at 10 o'clock Tuesday? Or can we meet at 10:30 on Wednesday? If neither of these times work with you, I am happy to set up an extra Zoom on a Monday afternoon at 1:30. Not a problem. Email, that's the best way to contact me. I am very good about checking email. If you email me during the day, you'll get a response very quickly. Nighttime, sometimes I check it. If you do send me an email at night, you'll get a response back the next morning. So weekends, I usually try to check it one day a weekend. I am available for you. So keep that in mind. Contact me whenever you are confused. Okay, these are your two books. So let's just go right down to the course calendar. So as you can see, this week we do have, there's quite a few discussions this week. There's also a workbook assignment. I am going to go down here. We have our first Zoom, February 15th at 1:30. This is where we're going to start diagnostic coding. So it is very important that nobody misses this because it will put you behind. I do show students how to use the encoder, which is a computer system. Then we will meet the week after on coding. Then I also have 3-1. We'll possibly start procedural CPT. And then we'll meet again 3:15. So as I stated before, I am open to more Zooms. I have no problem with that whatsoever. Okay, so if you go the best way, and I hope that everybody in the past has taken an online, but if you haven't, my system's a little slow here. You go into content. I have a lot of good information in here. Chapter 1, week 1, the message board if you have other questions. This just kind of gives you what's going to happen for the week 1. Your workbook. We have quiz that starts the 14th, ends the 16th. Message board. And then we have a chapter 1 exam the 21st, 24th. So content's a good way to go. You also, and I don't know, yours may be a little bit different, but you should be able to go to assignments. And here, everything is due on a Monday. Keep that in mind. I rarely go to a different day because that's how they want our online courses set up. So discussions, I've been trying to answer all your introductions. They've been going well. It's just nice to get to know the student. So we have message board introductions due the 18th. This one here is the 19th. I must have gave an extra date. And then as you can see, this one isn't due till the 25th. So I've had people already in there with discussions, so good job. Quizzes, they should pop up for you to take them. So we have on January 14th, looks like one person already took the quiz. That was today. It ends in 2 days, so make sure everybody gets the quiz done. All right, so hopefully nobody has any questions. But as you can see here, what I'm going to do is change the announcement and change the times. So we have now 1:30, and I'm not going to put an ending time on this. I will put 3:30, but I'm not saying that we'll end at 3:30. It could be 3 o'clock. It could be 3:30. Just depends on how students are doing, how quickly they're picking things up. We may need longer. We'll just kind of play by ear. So hopefully, if anybody has any more questions, send me an email. I'll be happy to help you out. My Zoom number is here. I have it in the syllabus. Once again, we will meet on those Mondays, 1:30 to 3:30. So it's great to once again hear from everybody. Can't wait to hear from all of you. And just a heads up, just to be active in the course, you need to post in message board or submit an assignment. I need to see that you're involved. We had to do financial aid settings. So if I didn't see that you were on the message board or did something, I had to put you down as a Z. But as soon as you participate, as in posting or something like that, it will get switched back to a Y, and there won't be any trouble with that. So once again, have a great rest of your week, and let me know if you have any issues.